Welcome to the 12th week of Project Management. Click on the Weekly Modules Content area and select the Module 12, Chapter 12, Outsourcing folder to begin. As always, we start with the learning objectives. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is to watch this video, read Chapter 12, review the Chapter 12 PowerPoint presentation, review the Microsoft Project tutorial videos. For the assignments, you have the Chapter 12 Smart Book, the Individual Assignment Project Baseline, and the Group Assignment Risk Log. Lastly, you have the Chapter 12 quiz. Next, we have the Instructional Content, which contains this video, Chapter 12 reading, the Chapter 12 PowerPoint presentation, and the Microsoft Project tutorial videos. Next, we have the Chapter 12 Smart Book assignment. Next, we have the Individual Assignment Project Baseline. This is where you're going to create a baseline within your Microsoft Project file. Next, we have the Group Assignment Risk Log. You just completed this for your individual assignment, so you should be familiar with this. Just keep in mind, you're going to be including additional risk compared to your individual assignment. You want to include at least 7 to 10 risk pertaining to your project. And lastly, we have the Chapter 12 quiz. This concludes the video. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor. Have a great week.